Bonsai is a fascinating art that a lot of people are getting interested in, and we have a master of bonsai with us today, Mr. Ron LaFlesh. Ron, what about some of the styles of bonsai? I know there are lots of different kinds. Can you explain just briefly?
44 designated styles, but the basic styles are four. The formal upright, which is a straight trunk, the informal upright, which has a curved trunk such as this tree, a slant style, which means that it goes off to one side, and then a cascade, which comes down out of the pot and over the rim of the pot.
When you start a bonsai, Ron, you've got so many of them that we're looking at here. Have you started with seeds, or have you gone to a nurseryman's junk pile, or where have you found these things?
Both of those and others. You can grow from seed. You can search the nurseries for what the nurseryman would refer to as trash material. You can find it in the field and dig it up and bring it home. Any number of ways. You can do it from cuttings.
Certainly the wire that I'm seeing here is very significant. Can you just basically explain what you're doing there?
The wire allows me to shape the branch and place it where I want it placed on the tree. There are two methods of doing bonsai. One is to clip and grow and clip and grow, and the other is to select your branches, then wire them into the position that you want them.
A lot of people may feel like I'm not quite talented enough to actually produce one of these bonsais myself, but let's say someone gets one for a gift. How do you take care of it?
You have to see that it's watered, it can't dry out. You have to see that it's fertilized because there's a minimum amount of soil in the container, and then you have to clip and prune in order to maintain the shape of the style that has been established for the tree.
Thank you very much, Ron, for joining us. I'm Mary Witt, Extension Horticulture Specialist, UK College of Agriculture.